My dear viewers of Madani channel, inshaAllah Azza wa Jal, today we'll be learning about the incredible steadfastness of our Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu anhu. Amir Ahl Sunnat Dam Barakatuh Aliyah writes in his beautiful booklet Jinn Resembling Sanke, published by Maktabatul Madina, that once Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu anhu was busy delivering a speech in an ijtima at his madrasa when a big snake fell onto him from the ceiling. Those who were present, they got into a panic and he started stampeding. But Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu anhu did not even move from his place. The snake then wrapped itself around the blessed body under his clothes. Then the snake came out of his collar and wrapped itself around the blessed neck of Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu anhu. But our blessed Murshid, Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu anhu, neither became frightened nor stopped his speech. The snake then jumped onto the ground, stood on its tail, said something and went away. After the snake disappeared, the people gathered and asked Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu anhu as to what that snake said to him. He rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi replied that the snake said it had tested many awliya of Allah Azza wa Jal, but it had not found anyone as steadfast as Ghaus-e Azam radiyallahu anhu. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।